Hello, this is Dr. Manoj Kumar, MDS, Chief Dentist of Manas Dental Care. In Manas Dental Care, we are providing all type of treatments for dental problems from children to adult age group. With the highly experienced doctors and dynamic group of dentists in international standards at affordable cost. And we also provide a complete digital setup with a high sterilization protocol. Please do find time to visit us.
Good afternoon, I am Dr. Divya, consultant periodontist working in Manas Dental Care. Talking about Manas Dental Care, it is one of the finest dental clinics in Visakhapatnam. It is managed by a group of professional dentists who are committed to provide a range of dental specialties. The clinic has latest equipment using high-class technology and standard materials. It promises you treatment at an affordable cost and an appointment basis. We also provide you emergency appointments to give you a quick relief. You will be attended by an experienced dentist who will ensure you a delightful dental experience. And coming to my specialty, I am a periodontist, that is a gum specialist. I will be looking into your bleeding gums, your bad breath, your dark gums, and other apart from that, other cosmetic treatments are also provided in this dental clinic. Do visit our clinics because all the cosmetic treatments and also your pain related problems are treated under one roof.
Hello, I am Dr. Shivaji, a specialist in root canal treatment, and I am working as a consultant at Manas Dental Care, which is established by Dr. Manoj Kumar. Manas Dental Care promises the best quality and ethical treatment at affordable cost, and the caption always says, creating beautiful smiles. Thank you.
Hi, Dr. N. Purnima Saujanya, consultant oral and maxillofacial surgeon in Manas Dental Care. So I deal with not only with the teeth, I deal with the jaw fractures and any oral cancers and any temporomandibular joint disorders. We deal with all the advanced kind of treatments without any more number of appointments. Thank you.
Hello, I am Trinath Kumar Madeti, consultant orthodontist at Manas Dental Care. Myself along with Dr. Manoj, we do treat all kind of malaligned tooth, be it proclined tooth, be it crooked tooth, or be it any kind of malpositioned tooth, we do treat at Manas Dental Care. Dr. Manoj himself is an MDS in oral pathology. I have a close association with him since 5 years, and he has an immense theoretical knowledge and a very good sound practical knowledge. His best-in-class clinical setup at Manas Dental Care, I assure you that he would do wonders in giving you beautiful smiles. So please do time to visit us.